so if you've noticed, my hair is actually wet. I don't normally do videos with my hair wet, but there's a reason for this one, and that's because I want to do a review of this microfiber hair turbans. I actually went on Amazon. These are called the Tex microfiber hair turbans, suitable for all hair types and lengths. I got them for $9.96. They're actually on Amazon right now. I just checked for under $9. It comes with 2 of them. I'll put the link to these certain ones below. I think from what I've read, you just do your hair and whatever the same way you would. I actually put in a leave-in conditioner before and brush it into my hair, and then I dry it. Just spray it in, and I'll use my wet brush. I just started using wet brushes. These are amazing. So I'm just gonna do it the same way as I normally would. This is what they look like. So you would actually put it forward like this, and then twist it and then put it back, and there's a button on the back that you would do. It's supposed to speed up dry time of your hair. Using your hair dryer all the time makes it brittle, not even just brittle, it split ends. It's not very good for your hair, even if you use a protectant, a heat protectant. So I thought this would be better because I can take upwards of like 15 minutes to get my hair completely dry. Half the time I end up giving up because it's just taking too long. I'm hot, I'm done, I've had enough, my arm's tired. So I'm gonna give it 10 minutes in my hair. It is a microfiber towel, so it's very dry. I'm just gonna brush it normal, put it up, start a timer for 10 minutes, and then we will see if it works and makes it dry a little bit faster. Alright, so we are 10 minutes into wearing this turban. I was actually able to get it buttoned and everything. It was a struggle getting all my hair in here because it's longer, but I figured it out. And I had to tuck some up in here, and some of it's still exposed, so it's not fully in there, but let's see how it did. So it's still pretty wet. Maybe I should have left it in longer, maybe, I don't know, but it didn't do much with my hair, so maybe it got a little bit of the moisture out though, so that'll dry quicker, but it's still pretty wet if you can't tell, so probably gonna have to dry it myself. If you have thinner hair or if you have shorter hair, these might work a little bit better for you, but mine with being thick and long, I don't think it was the best, but like I said, it might have gotten some of that extra moisture out of there, so maybe it was helpful there. All in all, worth $10. Worth trying for $10, but I don't know if I'll ever use them again just because I don't think it really worked for mine. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Like I said, feel free to give these a try if you want to. They didn't work for my hair, maybe they'll still work for yours, especially if yours is thinner or shorter. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.